Good morning, children. How are you? Open your English textbook, children. Last class, I hope all have got English textbook. Last class, what we learned? Unit 1, health is happiness. I taught you some vegetables, fruits spelling, children. Did you go through the spelling? Did you learn the spellings? Okay. And also we did match the action words. This one we have completed in the textbook. I hope you have completed it. Then I gave you some words. You may activity every day. Which activity every day will use the words with the action I told you. That is walking, eating, drinking, catching, reading and running, skipping, dancing, pushing, crying. Like that we did 10 activities there. Then again your teacher will show few actions, you have to guess them. That if you are in the school, it will be very easy for you. Now I will tell you, what is this, children? This is brushing. What is this? You get up in the morning, what you have to do? You have to brush your teeth. What is this? Eating. You have to do the actions and ask your mommy. What is this? It is walking. What is this? It is skipping. Like that. Combing, washing face, like that, if you do actions and identify the words there. Go to page number 4, children. This is page number 4. I will tell you the difficult words also afterwards. Now you keep your finger. Let us start with that. That now you too can perform some actions. Your friends will guess it. If your neighbors, you have got friends, you can tell the action, they have to guess that you have to do that activity at home. Okay, children, start page number 4, open page number 4, keep your pencil with you also. One day, Manoj returned home sadly after school. One day, Manoj returned home sadly after school. My friend Ankita did not come to school today. Manoj said to his sister Sharadi. What did Manoj say, children? Manoj, when he returned from school, he was very sad. Why he was sad? Because his friend Ankita did not come to school. Manoj said to his sister Sharadi. Why? Sharadi asked. She is not well, Manoj replied. What did Manoj say? Manoj said that his friend was not feeling well. She did not come to school. Our health is important. We need 3 things to keep us healthy. What did she say? She said, our health is more important. We have to keep our health, always be healthy. Eat healthy food. Okay, children? Our health is important. We need 3 things to keep us healthy. What are those 3 things? Sharadi started explaining to Manoj. Eating well, exercising and getting enough sleep. What are those 3 things, children? Eating well, exercising and getting enough sleep. Sharadi said. Eating well, what does it mean? Manoj asked. Next page, page number 5. Food plays a large part in health. What does it play? The food plays a large part in health. Healthy food includes fresh fruits and vegetables, but not junk foods. Junk food means you will see eat outside food, no children, that is all junk food. You should not eat that. It is not good for our health. What all you have to eat? You have to eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Sharadi explained. We get food and sleep at home, but where can we get exercise? Manoj asked. Playing is a very good form of exercise. What did Sharadi say? She said playing is a very good form of exercise. Yoga is another excellent activity. What is the excellent activity, children? Yoga is another excellent activity. Don't worry about that. Whenever you get time, go out and play with your friends. What she said? Don't worry about it. Whenever you get time, you go out and play with your friends. Saying this, Sharadi pushed Manoj out to play with his friends. Okay, children, in this lesson what you learned? You learn you have to eat good food, that is healthy food, fruits and vegetable. Should not eat junk food, and you have to do exercise and eat well, and you have to have enough sleep. Okay children, take out your pencil. I will give some difficult words in this lesson. You underline and write three times in your homework book. If you learn the spellings children, see, open this page number. Very good. Take your pencil, underline first, then you have to write 3 times. After learning the spelling only you can read this lesson easily children. First you have to learn the spelling, difficult words I will give you. Take your pencil and underline. First word, Manoj. You underline children. Did you underline that? You see, Manoj. Second one, return. Return. Underline that. Return. Third one, home. H-O-M-E. Home. Fourth one, sadly. S-A-D-L-Y. Sadly. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Next difficult word, Ankita. K-I-T-H-A. Ankita. Next, sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Next one, Sharadi. S-H-A-R-A-D-H-I. Underline that word also. Sharadi. Reply. R-E-P-L-I-E-D. Reply. Help. H-E-A-L-P-H. Help. Important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. Are you underlining children? Explain. E-X-P-L-A-I-N-I-N-G. Explaining. Next difficult word, eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. Getting. G-E-T-T-I-N-G. Getting. Enough. E-N-O-U-G-H. You underline that word. Next difficult word, large. L-A-R-G-E. Large. Includes. I-N-C-L-U-D-E-S. Includes. Playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. Vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. All this you have to write 3 times and learn this spelling children. Yoga. Y-O-G-A. Like excellent. E-X-C-E-L-L-E-N-T. Excellent. Activity. A-C-T-I-V-I-T-Y. Activity. Next difficult word, worry. W-O-R-R-Y. Worry. pushed. P-U-S-H-E-D. Pushed. So these are the few difficult words in this lesson, children. So what you have to do, I have to write each spelling three times. See Manoj 3 times. Return, home, sadly, school, friend, Ankita, sister, Sharadi, reply, help, important, explaining, eating, getting, enough, large, includes, playing, vegetables, yoga, excellent, activity, worry, whenever, push. These are the few words, difficult words in this lesson. Listen, what you have to do this, you have to learn the spelling, homework, learn and write 3 times. Learn and write 3 times in your, in which book? Write in your English notes book only, 4 lines book. If you write this afterwards, you can read the lesson easily, children. Okay? Bye, children. See you in the next class.